Come with us on a brand strategy day. Today we're in Birmingham at Anka Aesthetics. We got to sit down with the lovely Anka and discuss how all of the new brand designs that she's had recently in the clinic is going to work for the development of her academy and the direction that she's moving in. As a part of these days, we love to go through the strategy and talk to you about what's working and what's not working. In her stunning clinic, we realized that she had a little bit of natural light and she used amazing anatomy to showcase that. Again, she's done so much training and here's the proof. And now we were just showing her how to set up her content, how to set the phone, and how to use a professional camera when shooting, the different angles that you can position it in, and then we put it to the test to show her how clear these pictures can come out. Look how stunning that looks, so incredible. And the body zoom that you can also set your iPhone to have as well when you are filming. A great thing that I love about this day was that we got to see her in her elements with all the new designs, and we got to showcase to her how we would position things to students and how we would help students move forward. It was a great day to sit down and speak with her, and I can't wait to see this stunning bae again. Love you, Anka.